Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to get a screen keyboard on Windows 10. So let's start. Sometimes our laptop's keyboard doesn't work and we have to find the solution for that. For that we have the solution of screen keyboard. Now to get the screen keyboard, I'll show you the way to get it. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. Now to get the screen keyboard, first of all go to Start and over here you can find these settings. Click on these settings and over here you can see here is bunch of options. Now to get on screen keyboard, first of all go to this ease of access and over here you will find this bunch of options. On the left scroll down and over here you can see here is keyboard. Click on this and here you can see keyboard. Use your device without a physical keyboard. You can just check this on and you can see here is our keyboard which we can use. If I want to type something over here, just click and type over here. So in this way we can get on-screen keyboard on Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.